Mango. This is the day of the celebrating of the Cat's Day of the new Cat's Day. And he is Meowny. Meowny is a very old cat. Is she an old cat?
She's only 2 years.
She's a 3 years and she's very old because she was a kitten and now she's big because now we didn't have a video, so we're gonna find a kitten and then we're gonna grow it up with that. Hey, what are you doing to her? We're gonna set this one on YouTube. And sorry, Cosmos Pongo's Mango is Pongo is my name. And you know, in that there's a different penguin, that's Flipper. So she's not here. She's not here because
Everyone knows you're Pongo.
Really? Look at that fluffy cat.
She's not that fluffy.
She's very fluffy.
Not that fluffy.
She's very fluffy. Look at her tail, it's even fluffier. Please go get her cat toy. Oh no! Ah! Did I just shoot a face review? Oh, she's going.
Meowny, where are you going? Oh, she's looking around. She's like, I'm done eating. What's around here? I've never been here before.
Get her cat toy.
Can I move? Huh? What is this? What is that? Oh my god.
I don't want to go outside.
Hiccuping.
What?
Hiccup. She just hiccup. She's hiccuping. Hiccup. Have you guys seen my face?
No. Why is she hiccuping?
Zoom in.
No, I will zoom in.
Meowny. Meowny.
Oh my god.
She's taking a bath.
La la la, I'm taking a bath. La 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 la, my Meowny meow. I'm a little cat sitting in the tree. I do.
This I tell.
Yeah, this. Put on my head first.
Bye bye, Pongo's hat.
No!
Actually, let's give Pikachu.
Not my water bottle. Oh yeah, I have a new water bottle.
It's only in the bag.
Let's throw this cookie. Can you hold Pongo, please? Meowny.
Is he down to eat it?
Ah!
What in the world?
Come. She's hiccuping. No. She was hiccuping, I think. Bye bye. Daddy's all it. I mean, soon.
Don't hit.
Daddy's all the version of. Meowny's meowing. It's a party. Party with the Meowny. Party with the Meowny. Bestie. This is her phone cover. Hey! What is that for? Party with the Meowny. Party with the